Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of access failed on Duolingo. Here we go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Duolingo and you will enter. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter the storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.